the clouds of war gather. After completing their 13 years of exile, the Pandavas left Viratnagar and moved to a place called Upapalya in the Matsya kingdom. They had successfully completed the conditions of their exile. The time had come to demand their kingdom back. Sri Krishna, Balaram and other relatives assembled to discuss the future course of action. Krishna proposed sending an emissary to Dhritarashtra to demand that the Pandavas be returned their share of the empire. King Drupad of Panchal said, "Duryodhan is not going to quickly return the Pandavas' kingdom. As per my information, he has already started making preparations for the war. Kshatriya kings and rulers usually join them who invite them first. Let us therefore not delay for even a day in inviting our allies and well-wishers to join us. I have no objection to sending our emissary to Dhritarashtra's court, as Krishna has suggested, but let us start making serious preparations for the war also." Both sides spared no effort to woo the kings and warriors along with their respective armies from all over the earth to join them. As coincidence would have it, both Arjun and Duryodhan arrived in Dwarka the same day to seek help from Sri Krishna. Keshav was asleep upon his bed when both entered his room. Duryodhan entered first and sat near Krishna's head. Arjun immediately followed him and sat at Krishna's feet in reverence. When Krishna opened his eyes, he saw Arjun first, though Duryodhan claimed it was he who came first. But Krishna said, as he had seen Arjun first, the latter had the right to choose first. Sri Krishna then put forth his conditions, saying, "I shall give my 1 million strong Narayani Sena to one of you. I shall join the other side, but shall not take up any weapon. You are free to choose Arjun." Arjun respectfully said, "O Achyut, it doesn't matter whether you take up arms or not, fight or remain inactive. I want you and you alone, as you are. I have chosen you." Duryodhan controlled his laughter with great difficulty. Arjun had made a fool's choice and had refused the million-strong Yadav army. Duryodhan could scarcely believe his good luck. These Pandavas were real idiots, choosing someone who wasn't even going to fight. He made a show of thanking Krishna and hurriedly left for Hastinapur. When they were alone, Krishna asked Arjun the reason for his choice. Parth replied, "Keshav, victory and glory are present only where you are. It does not matter whether you take up arms or not. In the battlefield, the warrior's best friend is his charioteer. Therefore, be my charioteer and guide us to victory in the coming Dharma Yuddha." Sri Krishna said, "So be it, Dhananjay." Thus, Sri Krishna also became Parthasarathi.